Hello, everyone. It's Marcus Anderson here. So, dialectical tensions in my own relationships don't really have that many that I can think of. I guess if I had to say a couple of them would be maybe certainty and uncertainty. I'm a matter of fact kind of person, and I like speaking in terms that are certain and knowing exactly kind of the way things are. And other people like to kind of leave things open to interpretation and go with a kind of maybe. What if kind of thing, and I like knowing for sure, so that kind of causes some tension a little bit sometimes with me and others at work or out in the public sometimes. Uh, Another one would probably be stability versus change with uh, workplace, especially. I like kind of be smooth at a baseline, and uh, a lot of people like to change things up all the time. I kind of like the same over and over, repetitive. I kind of like things to stay pretty smooth and never change. I'm kind of that way, so that causes some tension sometimes. Not really. I'm usually able to compromise on things. So ways that I use to overcome those tensions. I usually try to be respectful of others' opinions and others' thoughts and try to hear them out and but still try to be myself at the same time. So usually, understanding where somebody's coming from is always good, and just listening and hearing their side of the story before you can come to a compromise or agreement. Usually, is the strategy that works best. Dark side factors, I would say the worst of those that I see going on in the world today would be uh, bullying that would have a negative impact on people. Some people just kind of have overbearing personalities and force their will on other people and bully them and make them feel inferior in some ways. And I think those are um, very bad. Dark side behaviors and should not be tolerated. Um, as far as online versus face to face, I'm a face to face person all the way. I don't have an online footprint whatsoever, really. I don't do the Facebook or Instagram. I only have an Instagram account so I can follow my dog on Instagram, actually. So that's, you know, the very few friends I do have on social media are close friends or family. So there's really no change in my disclosures. There's no change in the way I, would talk to them face to face in the way that I would interact with somebody on social media. But there's very, very little interacting on social media for my part. And so it's not any more difficult to maintain a social media relationship for me than it is a face-to-face relationship because I'm already uh, really good acquaintances with those people face-to-face anyway. Um, and I can see where some people would disclose less and only show the bright side and maybe make it easier to, maintain a friendship or whatever on social media than it would be in normal everyday life, face to face interactions, but that's just not the case for me. So I guess that will conclude my discussion post and look forward to what everyone else has to say. Thanks.